During the recent holiday season, the Chinese-built لاگوس-ابادان railway in Nigeria has again become a popular option for many people on their vacation or family reunion trips.
I've had the experience before going through train from Ibadan to Lagos, so which I really enjoyed the trip. So, and when I'm this holiday season, I'm free, so I have to come to Lagos with my family. So I really enjoyed the trip.
I've been using the train station for a while, but I wanted my children to have the experience. So it's a family vacation. The journey is smooth, hassle-free, and fast.
It's really superb, very encouraging. Since I've been using the service, I've been introducing it to my friends and relatives.
The لاگوس-ابادان railway, linking Nigeria's economic hub of Lagos and the southwestern city of Ibadan, officially started full commercial operation in June 2021. It's the first double-track standard-gauge railway in West Africa.